Hello and welcome to this first AM Time session within which we're going to be taking a look at the Preston Passport, an electronic portfolio within which you can store your achievements and very proudest moments during your time with us. So as I say, these sessions are going to be used to update and upload information to your Preston Passport. So from now on, you will have one session a fortnight, 1 AM time a fortnight in an IT room. And in those sessions, you'll be expected to bring information, documents and pictures that you can upload to your portfolio. Your Preston Passport will be a portfolio of all of the wonderful things that you do during your time with us. It will include examples of brilliant work you've undertaken, any extracurricular pursuits that you follow, and any other achievements that make you during your time with us. Your portfolio will be a really important document for you. We will utilise it as part of things like the head boy and head girl application process, but it will also be a document that you can take to things like college interviews, sixth form interviews and interviews for apprenticeships to show a really long-held passion for certain subject areas. Like so many things at Preston, the portfolio is found through the student portal, so you can access this in your AM time sessions, but you can also access this from home. You can see I'm logged onto the portal, and if I scroll down, you'll find a new button towards the bottom right that says Portfolio. And if you click that, it's going to take you to an example of a Preston portfolio. So each of you have been set up one of these, and over time you will build up a record of your achievements and your best work, videos of extracurricular pursuits, scannings of certificates and those sorts of things. You can see on this example we've got things like a first draft of a CV embedded as a Microsoft Word document. We've got videos of a pretend student working with coaching younger students outside of school. And we've got photographs of our very best pieces of work from a variety of different subject areas. Each of these posts can be tagged as a subject and as an enterprise skill. So each of these can show off maybe one or two subjects and one or two enterprise skills. Over time, in the top menu here, you will build up a bank of what you've done in each subject, as well as what you've done towards each enterprise skill. So while they will start blank like these ones, over time you will build up lots and lots of evidence across lots of different areas within your passport. Now this is an example that will load up for each of you when you first log on, but you'll see a grey bar that says looking for your portfolio, click here. And if you click that button, you'll be taken to your portfolio. Now yours will look slightly blank for the time being, but it is within this that you will be able to build up your record of achievement during your time with us. So you'll see we've got sort of a demonstration post here, a hello world post that we'll remove in a minute, and any post that you make will load into this area here. So we're going to want to log in now and have a look at uploading our first post. I'm going to scroll to the bottom, and right at the bottom of the page you'll see a link that says log into admin portal. And if you click that, that will log you into the admin area of your passport and will allow you then to add posts onto that. So anytime I want to add something, we call that a post, and it might be that you post an image, a video or some text information onto your portfolio each fortnight. We've got posts and I can click all posts. That's going to load me up everything that I've done so far. You can see we've got the Hello World post, and the first thing we're going to want to do is hover on that and add that to our trash. We're then going to want to add a new post, and your one task for today is to log into your portfolio and to add one basic post. I'm going to click Add New next to Posts, and that's going to load me up the post screen. It's going to give me a bit of a demonstration, which I'll get rid of. And then we've got an area to add a title and then to begin to add some content. So the first post that we add is going to be my aims for the year. And within this, you're going to add 3 or 4 aims and things that you want to achieve during this academic year. The heading goes in sort of a big box there, and then we've got the ability to write underneath. So during this year, I will, and in that part, you can begin to write more content. If we press enter, we can do things like bullet points, just use a little minus symbol there. And if we hover on those, we can change things like whether it's a numbered list, a bullet pointed list, whether it's bold and italic. So my first aim is, and in there you would write some information. My second aim is, and you can write as many of those as you want going down the page. You'll notice that we've got this sort of plus box here. Now this allows you to add different blocks. We'll look at those in more depth over the coming weeks, but you'll see things like the ability to add images, paragraphs, lists, quotes, picture galleries, and much more. Now our post for today will be fairly straightforward, but if you finish early, you could try and add an image block, and that will allow you to upload any image file into your post. This last bit is really important. Okay, so once you have finished your post and you've added in your aims, we need to tag our post. And we need to tag our post as being either attached to certain subjects or to certain Preston enterprise skills. So I'm going to click post on the right hand side, and I'm going to go down to categories. And in categories, you will find all of the Preston enterprise skills and all of the Preston subjects. Now you can tag as many of those as you want to, but it's important you only tag the ones that are relevant. So this is all about our aims for the year, so I'm going to tag that as ambition. It doesn't really relate to a subject unless you've added some really subject-specific aims, and if you had, you might scroll down and tag a subject as well. Like I say, you can tag as many of those as you like. When you're finished, you can click publish, publish again, and that's going to then upload to your portfolio. We've got a view post option here, and if we click that, it will take us straight to the new post that we've just added. So mine is fairly blank, I didn't write a huge amount, but you should be aiming to get a paragraph or two in here around your aims for the year. So, what would I like you to do today? I'd like you to log into the computer, I'd like you to access the portfolio button on the student portal. I'd like you to have a quick play with that, check you understand the basic features, and I'd like you to add just one post. In that post, you need to outline what are your aims for this year. What are the 3 or 4 things that you hope you achieve before you finish this academic year? You then need to publish that and check that it appears on your portfolio. You can do that by clicking the View Post button. If you go to your home page, that will show you all of your posts so far, and obviously at the moment we've only got the one. Give that a go. Next, in the following fortnight, you'll add some more information to this post and try to add a post with some more multimedia in there, so an image file and or a video. But today, we're just looking for that aims post. Good luck.